Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Gamer here with another reaction. Move. And today, guys, we're here with Skeng and Jah Vinci with one called 𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. It's a music video. 𝐂𝐓𝐹. Come on, say, yo. So bet some thump in your face. Fe. So fe some thump in your bumbuckler face. Fe. Thump in my face now. If you bad thump in my face. Yo, honestly, I never see this reaction like this collab coming up. Never see this collab. So big up bad singer from Gaza days till now, Jah Vinci, bad singer, and Skeng, you don't know, bad artist. So we're going for another one here, and here with this G them I say out clear. Yeah, and Ratty Gang link up. Let's go. Not nice production. I should have known say not nice.
Hey boy, 𝐂𝐓𝐹. Yo, pussy hole, come. Hey.
𝐂𝐓𝐹, me kill you. 𝐂𝐓𝐹.
If you ever run, gun pee. No. Yeah, you messing the murder.
Be a killer, they are send a temporary. Rise the SMG, send them a cemetery.
Clad Jah Vinci with the iconic voice. Grimy. Jah Vinci, let's go again. 𝐂𝐓𝐹. Hold on, man. Hold on. Don't rush it.
Yeah, you messing the murder.
Be a killer, they are for the
Rise the SMG, send them a cemetery. Cops, they are foot for defend. They are plenty, ready to go empty.
Yo, me like see that side of Jah Vinci too, you know. Remember say Jah Vinci normally sing for the ladies and the reality them and the mama sang them, but you don't know say Jah Vinci have the bad side there from Gaza days. Remember say them should I remember say the Askelas from them time they know. Remember say them bad, you know.
Hey. If you ever run, gun pee.
If you ever run, it's a
Yeah, you
pussy.
messing the murder.
Be a killer, they just no tempo.
Rise the SMG, send them a cemetery.
Yeah.
Cops, they are foot for defend. They are plenty, ready to go empty. Spain town, turn them in a memories. Big yard rifle beat in a melodies.
And say Spain town, turn them in a memories. Turn them in a button pan shirt. Turn them in a eulogy. Grave. Funeral. R.I.P.
Cops, they are foot for defend. They are plenty, ready to go empty. Spain town, turn them in a memories. Big yard rifle beat in a melodies. Skeng them boy, they a little boy. Tell them what me do to boy, put shot in a face.
Skeng them boy, they a little boy. Tell him what me do to boy, put shot in a face. Yo, not nice. Big up yourself. Only you could have made this collab happen, bro. And you only put out the best of the best, bro. This sound good, this mix good. Like this is not nice quality of music, bro. This is not nice quality, bro. Listen to Jah Vinci clarity, dog. Like you can hear everything what the man says. So you need to stop it and not tell you what Jah Vinci say, cause you can hear it.
Cops, they are foot for defend. They are plenty, ready to go empty. Spain town, turn them in a memories. Big yard rifle beat in a melodies. Skeng them boy, they a little boy. Tell them what me do to boy, put shot in a face.
Watch me, knock it up in a face. Me a clap it up. None of them no make money, no every killer them a lay up.
Yo, you can hear what Skeng said too. The clarity not the one that bad.
Skeng them boy, they a little boy. Tell them what me do to boy, put shot in a face.
Watch me, knock it up in a face. Me a clap it up. None of them no make money, no every killer them a lay up. We evil as savage, you no care about no one enough. See them all up and granny up, all who no live long enough.
You like to chat, man.
Skeng them boy, they a little boy.
This is a different gear from Skeng also. Tell us, yo, not nice is a producer we bring out the best in an artist in the brother. Like, no joke, you know.
Tell them what me do to boy, put shot in a face.
Watch me, knock it up in a face. Me a clap it up. None of them no make money, no every killer them a lay up.
Watch it when me knock it and clap it on them pussy a face, dog. None of them no make one. Them no bad, brother. Them lukewarm. No, this not about them badness. Them call up.
Knock it up in a face, me a clap it up. None of them no make money, no every killer them a lay up. We evil as savage, you no care about no one enough. See them all up and granny up, all who no live long enough. Jah Vinci, me no hit to kill. Tell a pussy bill, boom make my bill. Grant every wish, I saw my skill. Tell them.
Jah Vinci, me no itch for kill. Tell a pussy, chill.
We evil as savage, just we no care about no one enough. See them all up and granny up, all who no live long enough. Jah Vinci, me no itch for kill. Tell a pussy bill, but me make my bill. Grant every wish, I saw my skill. Tell them to me sick, then me under pill, me head a spin. I double murder this already, I that me triple it. Yes, me I go feed them, me I go dope feed them. How we a full up down a hell, the devil want me. Father God no get up.
Clad, man, see how we are full up down a hell, the devil want me. Yo, jeez.
Them to me sick, then me under pill, me head a spin. I double murder this already, I that me triple it. Yes, me I go feed them, me I go dope feed them. How we a full up down a hell, the devil want me. Father God no get that boy a sense, nothing good in a me meds. All the time me there, so I pray I forget murder them. Ignorant and them all give me super strength.
Yo, ignorant and the Malia give me super strength. Bumbleclad.
All the time me there, so I pray I forget murder them. Ignorant and them all give me super strength. I mean not trust none of them, they better watch themselves. Haunted nuts man swing pan the men. Dust up the whole of them, they see me, them see nothing else.
Dust up the whole of them see me, them see nothing else. So basically, when I said this is him are the last person you are going to see. Because I forward for mash out your brain on the ground. You see me? So you are him are the last image you are going to see. You see me? And I'm going pointing at you.
Nuts man swing pan the men. Dust up the whole of them, they see me, them see nothing else.
See a killer, they are son of temporary. Rise the SMJ, send them a cemetery. Thugs, they are foot for defend way. Clip, they are plenty, ready for go empty. Spear tongue, turn them in a memories. Big yard rifle beat in a melodies. Skeng them boy, they a little boy. Tell them what me do to boy, put shot in a face.
Bumbleclad. I thought Jah Vinci was just on the chorus. Jah Vinci have a version of this. Me like when Jah Vinci sing them bad song. Listen, go. Let's go.
Big yard rifle beat in a melodies. Skeng them boy, they a little boy. Tell them what me do to boy, put shot in a face.
Make boy lock up in a house and can't come out back. The man say, yo, no matter if you run, go in and padlock up that. The bomber when me have, push in that door there. Should be teen. Duff cut settings. Yo, Jah Vinci bad, you fuck dog. That Calabia sick. That Calabia bad. That Calabia bad. Me like the Calabia. This is gonna be one of my favorite color in recent time. That Calabia bad. From gas in the tank, we go anyway, go make the delivery. From gas in the tank, we pull up on any boy ends. We not care. We are go in and we are forward back out. You know why? Because we can't do it. We can do it. We're not afraid of no pussy. Yeah. Yeah.
4 killer up in 90 dog. Glock in a me and about 30 rounds in night.
Bumbleclad. Yeah, the rhyming scheme now. Yeah.
4 killer up in 90 dog. Glock in a me and about 30 rounds in night.
Man say 4 killer up in Itida. Up in Itida. 4 killer up in that. I pull up. 4 door fly. 4 rifleman run out. 8 duppy make. Further on in the news.
4 killer up in Itida. Glock in a me and about 30 rounds in night. Push it through the window, body and speed up.
Oh, so you now you only now forward out. Only now fly the 4 door them. There's a wide angle in them and shoot it through in them and speed off. Rap.
Glock in a me and about 30 rounds in night. Push it through the window, body and speed up.
Yeah, me like that part there. We like that part there. This is Jah Vinci Foundation. When they say why? You know where that I forward from, though. You know which part that I forward from. When they say why? You know where that I forward from, though. Yeah. When I set up no more. Oh.
Me and about 30 rounds in night. Push it through the window, body and speed up. Look full of blood them drowning now. Skeng you know man a certified killer. Boy dead check the contract figures. 5 in 9 face left, 1 in 9 spinners. But dog them ready if go for boy dinner.
5 in 9 face left, 1 in 9 spinners. So even though I'm happy, say yo, that boy they get 5, him still a keep one back in our head. Just in case. Just in case, cause you never know. You never know. I might need one more. Yeah.
5 in 9 face left, 1 in 9 spinners, but dog them ready if go for boy dinner. Be a killer, they are son of temporary. Rise the SMG, send them a cemetery. Dogs they are foot for defend way. Clip they are plenty, ready for go empty. Spear tongue turn them in a memories. Big yard rifle beat in a melodies. Skeng them boy, the a little boy. Tell them what me do to boy, put shot in a face.
Me never see that ____ be a forwarding, man. Not nice. C'est fait. Not nice. Big up yourself. Yo, me never see that collab be a forwarding, brother. Yo, this is the unexpected collab. Me never see this. 2 bad artists. Jah Vinci. Bad bombo clot artist, dog. Huh? The clarity, bro. Like the experience. Jah Vinci just show you the experience where him gain in his career from then till now, bro. Like this easy. This seems easy for Jah Vinci, brother. Jah Vinci needs to get more shine, bro. Like Jah Vinci needs to get out there more, dog. Don't get it wrong still, you know. Jah Vinci do him thing, you know. Jah Vinci do him thing, you know. So don't get it wrong, you know. But hear me, I say, Jah Vinci. Only not nice can make this happen. Skeng, big up your blood to that self. The video grimy, the video speak where the song, where the lyrics I say. You see me? The concept of the video same way. When my boy itch up under the car and sing, I say, yo, Sefe, yo, hey, boy, bro. Not nice. I'm giving you a lot of credit for this collab. Thank you, sir, for this collab. We needed this collab. Like, never see this forwarding, but it there. Yo. Skeng, Jah Vinci, wagwan. That's how we there in the dark. Jah Vinci and Skeng, Bumba Club, bad artist them. This time I'm gonna leave that one still. If you enjoy the reaction and I want to see more, please consider subscribing if you haven't done so already. Hit the like button, man. Hit the like button, you know. And I will definitely see you in the next one. Jah Vinci, pick up yourself. Skeng, outside.